Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to trade in Roblox. So in order to trade, you can over here is going to be your incoming trade. Like if someone sends you a trade offer, this is where you can see them. But if you're trying to trade with someone, what you want to do is I've got this guy's profile up. He's not a friend, it's just someone I know. I just found this random profile. So from here, what you want to do is press on the three dots. Once you press on the three dots over here, there should be another option called trade. Now, since I've never put Robux in my account, or I never, bought anything with my money, I have no available items to trade. And since I don't have anything to trade, I'm not getting this trade option. But normally, if you do buy Robux and you have something to trade with, you will have that option, and you just want to click on that trade option. And once you click on the trade option, you can send an item, you can send a trade offer, and it's up to them if they want to accept the trade offer or not. And that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that like button as well as that subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.